Yo guys, what's up? Your boy is back, and today we're gonna talk about Xiaomi's next flagship, Mi 7. As you guys know, Xiaomi is about to launch its next flagship, and there are many leaks coming about this phone. A major leak that is coming about this phone is that it will come with the in-display fingerprint scanner. Xiaomi CEO hinted that it might come with a fingerprint scanner, talking in his Weibo account. So if Xiaomi does that, then after the Vivo, Xiaomi will be the second brand that will have this in-display fingerprint scanner technology. A photo leak about the Mi 7's front panel. It shows that it has a notch on top. So this is the real prototype panel. Then Xiaomi is soon to join the notch team. Honestly, I don't like this notch thing. Many people have different opinions, but I don't like it. I think Xiaomi should take a further step and keep the display clean, not with a notch. From the leaks, it was confirmed that Xiaomi could be coming with Snapdragon 845 processor, which is not surprising as many flagship in this year are coming with Snapdragon 85 processor, which is an ideal processor for flagships. Other feature leaked about Mi 7 on Geekbench listing shows that it has 6 GB of RAM and has Android 8.0 Oreo based on MIUI 10. Leaked information about the Mi 7 suggests that it could come with a dual 16 megapixel camera, and it also says that it has a 6-inch 18:9 screen, which also suggests that there won't be a notch display on this one. Under the hood, Mi 7 is expected to have up to 4000 mAh battery, which might support a wireless charging with also a quick charge. Xiaomi Mi 7 is widely believed to be the one of the best flagship this year with very competitive price, and we can also see that it would be around at $480. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you know anything about this smartphone, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.